You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this brand name, beer name, brewery name that is located in France. Yes, it's a French beer from Strasbourg in Alsace, which is now French, of course, but it's got a bit of a German sounding or Alsatian sounding name. The French pronunciation, Kronenbourg. 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 If you cannot pronounce French, you can pronounce it as Kronenbourg. 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 The G is silent at the end. Kronenbourg. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.